Studying in Liverpool is exciting as well as beneficial. The city is bustling with opportunities for international students. Liverpool attracts students from all over the world. A wide range of exciting annual events takes place in this city, which has more galleries than any other city outside of London. It also boasts an unrivaled nightlife scene. We are here with another outstanding student accommodation in Liverpool for you. Arrad House's elegant en-suite suites will make you feel at home. All the rooms are well furnished. The building comes with various amenities like all bill inclusive, high-speed Wi-Fi for non-stop streaming, laundry and recycling facilities, maintenance support, an on-site service team with 24/7 assistance, and secure access. Apart from all this, the building offers an outdoor social space where you can spend your free time and socialize with your flatmates. The building is near many universities. The University of Liverpool is just a 7-minute walk from the premises. Sir Alistair Pilkington Building is a 3-minute walk, and at a 5-minute drive, there is the University of Liverpool Royal Naval Unit. The University of Liverpool International College is just a 7-minute walk from the place, which makes it the best choice for you if you're a University of Liverpool student. Arrad House is one of the best and most convenient university houses in Liverpool since it's in the center of the city and is surrounded by lots of restaurants. More than 8 bus stations surround the building premises. Sugnall bus station is the closest to the building. Others include Arrad Street, Mount Pleasant, and Metropolitan Cathedral. Arrad House is a premium student accommodation especially built to make your study abroad journey comfortable.